Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with blue calcite, the stone of the empath. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. I really appreciate your support and your willingness to experiment and learn with crystals and gemstones. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy and its effect on you, listening to the prompts, and determining if that gemstone is one that you want to work with some more. And today we're going to be doing that with blue calcite. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal healing benefits of blue calcite, then I will link that in the eye above in case you want to pause this video and watch that one first. If you have a piece of blue calcite, you should pause the video and go get that now. But if you don't have it, that's okay. You will still get benefit from this guided meditation. If you sit through it and picture a lovely kind of deep sky blue stone in your mind, and any of the prompts that I ask you to consider really feel familiar to you or uncomfortable in some way, then that's a sign that you should get some blue calcite to work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need before we start this meditation is a comfortable seat. And that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. So if you have your blue calcite and your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And take a look at how it feels to breathe for you today. Does it feel comfortable and easy or tight, constricted? And bring your attention to your physical body and notice any sensations that you might be feeling right now. Check in with the emotions of your heart and the thoughts in your mind to see what's going on with them right now. You're not trying to change something or fix it. We're just checking in with how you're doing right now. And bringing your awareness to those parts on your body that touch the chair or the floor beneath you. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, the whole planet, and you're sitting right over the center. And you have access to all of the energy of the earth. So the earth will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. If you have a piece of blue calcite, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the blue calcite in the meditation today. And take a moment to notice how your calcite feels to you. How much does it weigh in your hand? Is yours smooth and polished and round, or is it rough? Feel the textures of the surface. And take a minute to get to know your piece of blue calcite. And if you don't have calcite, then picture a sky blue stone in your mind, a sky blue crystal. And check in with your body, your heart, and your mind, and notice if anything seems different since you've picked up the blue calcite. Then imagine yourself looking up into the vastness of a clear blue sky. How open and clear and free. And sit with this image of blue calcite energy for a minute. Blue calcite is the stone of the empath. And as you hold or imagine your crystal in your hand, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Do you feel overwhelmed when you are in crowded places? Are you affected by the moods or emotions of others? Are you moving into a new home or workspace? Are you working on out-of-body or astral practices? Are you or someone you love working on end-of-life preparation? All of these situations are supported by blue calcite. And if one of these scenarios stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to you, to your heart and mind and body. And we'll sit with it for a couple of minutes while you hold the blue calcite. Notice if anything changes about the way you feel about that situation. Has anything but the way that you feel about that situation changed since you've been holding the blue calcite? Again, we're not trying to force anything, but just noticing any differences. Then notice if anything feels different in your body, your heart, and your mind since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the blue calcite energy, and release the situation you're sitting with, and just coming back to your breathing. Then when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit with blue calcite, the stone of the empath. And if you do find that you'd like to work with blue calcite some more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can very quickly call up the energy of the crystal as soon as you need it. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life, to know which situations you want support with, which crystals will help you, practicing and using them when you need them. If you're new to the channel, I post about a new gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post the informational videos about the gemstones, and on Friday, I post the guided meditations with those gemstones. So if you're interested in doing an in-depth study on crystals and gemstones, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.